teach you how to do turmeric ginger. Let me just do it this way. I will teach you how to do turmeric ginger juice. And what's important to do is that you cut it so that it's easier for the hugger to grab onto the ginger. And the turmeric here, same thing, just cut it in half. Okay, and I'll show you how to do it. I started already, that's why you see some, but then let's continue. And I'll start, when you start the first time around, you use ginger first, turmeric next. It's when you juicer, like the very first time you do it. So that it really, otherwise if you do turmeric first, the juice is not gonna come at the end, it's just gonna drop into your pulp tray, okay? So start with ginger first, believe me. Just give it a gentle push. Don't push too hard. Don't make it go too fast, because otherwise it becomes like creamy. So slow. I just help to go down, but I don't push hard. And here we go. Et ensuite, ce que je fais, c'est que j'utilise une petite passoire. Oh, I'm speaking to you in French. I use a small strainer and a larger strainer on top. As you can see, there is pulp. So it helps to have the two to really catch all the pulp. And then you pour in a jar, and then all the way to the very top. That will reduce the oxidation. You can keep the juice up to 7 days in your fridge. You can also freeze it if you like. And here you go. Et voilà. Je vais indiquer dans la pub. I will put in the post. I keep switching French and English. I'm sorry. I will put in the post how to use the ginger turmeric juice and how good it is for you. It is so good for you. Bon appétit.